Hello, my people. Update on Simon Ekpa. You see this job they've been jumping. Now why they just they whine themselves. You know what they say, creating your own happiness. They just they create their own happiness. Now let me give you update on Simon Ekpa's trial, which is bingos will not give you. Now, it wasn't Simon Ekpa that appealed that case. It was the prosecutor himself. The prosecutor is appealing that what they gave him was not his recommendation. Simon was sentenced by a district court, but that case was not supposed to be handled by a district court. And district court does not have jurisdiction over such a case because there's a limit to the prison terms they can impose at the district court. Now in they face the men gbege. You understand? So I think the prosecutor is demanding 18 to 21 years. And the people that said they have how many international lawyers, my dear, now one Dr. David Mesenge. Now they represent Simon Ekpa, and this person is not a lawyer. He's all these members of advocacy groups. So when you are hearing that Simon Ekpa is teaching them what self-determination means, na cruise, the same nonsense they were saying about Nnamdi Kanu that led to show me the law. At the end of the day, they showed him the law in Sokoto. They are showing it to him. Now don't learn am for him. So Simon Ekpa is not the one that filed any appeal. It was the prosecutor, and he is demanding a stiffer penalty. Now in they go face the main thing. I think it's even to his advantage that he's facing it there, because if they had used what the district court did, immediately when they free him from there, film straight to Nigeria, and anything that makes Simon Ekpa avoid long prison term from this particular appeal that the prosecutor appealed, the best he will hope for is to be deported back to where? Nigeria. Udojia. I'm telling you. On na choke. Remember na etinye machine mo tagajen na choke. Onye abari choki. So those of them that are jumping up, keep deceiving yourselves, Now whining no moon. Keep whining yourselves. At the end of the day, we go nowhere on a go land them.
Now, Simon Uruagu, where you all biko, na kaba area, ka happy continue. Na bobia, the team na Igbo. When you want to go and ease yourself or remove physics or we got toilet or whatever you know, or to show money, on a way to personal involved. On a latrine, toilet, and a gentleness saga. That is normal physics. Your body is okay. On can do desperate aga, ya won't call in car forces. If you don't quickly go there, when they get by on the carry. So Simon, you call on my keepers out with car forces. But the ego and the day I had a man and the born aga court. Apụta na court ga-ehụ Maxwell Okpala na lawyer Ejimako. Ha bịakwa ya kamera n'ihu. What do you have to tell the Afran? Nke ahụ ewerekwa n'obi because ha kwere ya kamera n'ihu kwuka ego ofu. Ọbụlakwa ya ga-achi back na DSS. Ọkwa the same pattern of that stupidity ka ndị nke a na-emekwa na Finland. Abịa were kamera chee ya n'ihu. What do you have to tell the Afran? Iwọchị ị ga-ahụ na ụjọ dị ya. Ya kwudo ha ọfụma. Yeah, two things. The Finland government, the court of Simon, Otu Simon committee. Nga to go to the Ato, Nga to Simon, just ị mana ihe a tụrụ Simon nga awụdo ihe gbasara Biafra ekpebedo ikpe Biafra ụmụ Chineke nga Simon gaga 6 years na Igbo gị ọnọhụ na terrorism the main charge terrorism ịma na terrorism na-akarị 6 years enweghị ihe wụ terrorism nga a tụgodiri atụ ụfọ ụlọ niile ọ zụkọrọ tax clearance ya na fraud money laundering ihe agwụdo ihe nga 6 years ahụ ọnụ na-egekwe ntị ọfụma ugbu a ka a chọrọ ibido the main case ma ndị na-ekwu ndị hapụ Simon ndị na-ekwu ndị na-ere ya ebere ya bụrụ na m na-atụ asị why did they invite the leadership of IPOB to bring more evidence against Simon Ekpa? Ana m ajụ unu niile. You can write it on conversation or when you call you tell me.
Ayamma na-ele ayamma na-ele o ayamma na-ele o anya chi na-ele anyị ibe anya ọma o anya ọma ka na-ele anya chi na-ele anyị ibe anya ọma anya ọma na-ele anya ọma na-ele anya ọma ịmana dị isopu anya chi na-ele anyị ibe anya ọma anya ọma na-ele anya ọma na-ele anya ọma o anya ọma na-ele anya chi na-ele anyị ibe anya ọma o anya ọma na-ele o anya chi na-ele anyị ibe anya ọma ndị be anyị there is hope and there is light at the end of the tunnel. Can somebody say thank you Papa? I am Nwashibrobi, please, preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. Nwashibrobi abịagokwa ebe ahụ. If you see me, you see me. If you know me, you know me. What I have come to preach is nothing but the undiluted truth. And you must know this and know peace. Are you getting me? You must know that what I have come to preach is nothing but the undiluted truth. Now you have seen these very people, the propaganda that they sponsored, telling you all manner of rubbish, all manner of degrading statements against Mazi Simon Ekpa. They embarrass themselves. If you listen to Udele told you, oh, it is not Mazi Simon Ekpa that appealed the case, that the case was appealed by the prosecutor, that the prosecutor later find out after they sentenced Mazi Simon Ekpa that, oh, that the sentence is not enough. In Nigeria, for those of you in Nigeria, that is the type of demeaning and rubbish story these very people na korono. These are the people you follow. Udele set up a camera in a broad daylight to lie to people. Had it been that this is America, he will go to prison for deceiving the people. If this is Western countries, he will go to prison for deliberately lying to people. But in Nigeria, everything goes. They pay them. Oh, set up camera, lie to people, deceive them. He set up camera to tell you people, oh, that Mazi Simon Ekpa did not even appeal the case because he was afraid that the people who appealed the case were the people who sentenced him. That they later found out that the district court ya bunyere nne ya HIV. HIV. I want you to know the type of death. Udere ọnwụ nne ndị a na-anwụ. Chibuzo egwu atọwa ogiri shigburu nne. Ogiri shigburu the mad woman nwaanyị nwụọ na nkwọ Nnewi. I think onye ọ bụrụ ụzọ mụnye ebe ikpuru asị na ọ kansa. Eburu nwaanyị anọ na-emeba mbi ala na nkwọ Nnewi ebe a ya ere eze ego wee gaga gwụọ naanị ikpuru ọ. Ifeanyị Ụba dọrọ ike nwa nwoke jerie ya. Nwa nwoke ya yiri pampas. Asịzie ka eburu nne ga ebe a na-agwụ nne elu ushi iron to iron were iwe nwụọ. Moke, that is Udele. Ihe gburu ya bụ HIV. I want you to know the type of ọnwụ iberibe nne ha na-anwụ. Because when you are idiots, it will show in your own family. Achọkwa m ka ị bịa ebe a bịa preach ere m, oh, leave the mother alone.
leave the mother alone. Owe nne ha iwe ha were okpiri kogbuo ha. For the mother to still allow them means that they still support them. Ọ bụrụ na ọ na-ewe ya iwe n'ala ili ebe ọ nọ ya were okpiri kugbula ha hapụ ị na-eme ha embarrass. Now, the one called Udele set up camera, lied to you people, told you that it was prosecutor who sentenced, prosecutor who appealed the case, that after jailing Mazi Simon Ekpa, they found out that he's supposed to be 21 years and district court doesn't have the jurisdiction. And they went to the court for how many? A year plus or queer. In a court that doesn't have jurisdiction. They went to that court going to a year to sentence Mazi Simon Ekpa. And after sentencing Mazi Simon Ekpa in going to a year, they suddenly realized that that court has no jurisdiction, as they told you. Now the one, all of you know the POS, this Mugu. He came up again to tell you people, that Mazi Simon Ekpa have not been sentenced to terrorism, that it is thieving of or buying, not paying tax and buying of houses, that is the reason why they sentenced him. And to conclude it, he said, if you think that he is lying, why did they invite them to testify against Simon Ekpa? So they are in charge, maybe they are in charge of where Mazi Simon Ekpa withdraws money to buy crayfish or buy here. Thank you. All of them gathered to lie, right? I have my main reason of playing their lies today, because BBC have disgraced them. BBC Igbo, all of you know that BBC Igbo have never been part of us, right? BBC today, because everybody is afraid, even the British government, they do not trust Finland. Their judgment. Nwanna, bia noro ihe BBC Igbo kwuru. I will allow you to listen to BBC. Ka ihe hapụkwa isi na ọmụnwa kwuru. Because I love this national embarrassment. They told them to their faces, stop lying and deceiving people. Bia noro what happened. Remember, the POS Kuje version of the OS3 told you people and shamelessly lied to you people that the prison sentence Mazi Simon Ekpa was just for buying of property, and they have not tried him for terrorism. That it was after he served buying of property, tax fraud, according to them, that they are now going to try terrorism. And na ihe ndị a nọbụ ashị tụva onye ọbụla ọnụrụ kamera ya tụva ashị. And remember, Udele told you that it was the district court who appealed, not Simon Ekpa. Yeah, I want to on to you, BBC. You are going to know if it is Simon Ekpa that appealed, or if they sentenced Mazi Simon Ekpa for terrorism, or if Simon Ekpa is telling the court, I do not do anything. I have never committed anything. Don't say that I committed terrorism. This is the standard somebody must reach before they label the person a terrorist. I have never reached that standard. My own is agitation for my own people. They have killed and demeaned my people. Hell, Mono Yibo. They have killed my own people, and I am standing for them. BBC, and I will be right back, please.
Simon Ekpa bụ onye ndị otu alaka chọrọ nwere onwe Biafra akpọrọ Biafra Independent Movement (PIM). Mana ị nwere ike ịjụ, kedu ihe Nwamadi a gara n'ụlọ ikpe ime? Ekpa gara n'ụlọ ikpe mkpegharị bụ ebe ọ gbara akwụkwọ si ka elebanye anya n'ikpe ahụ ụlọikpe dị na mpaghara Payethame mba Finland mara ya, ma tụọ ya mkpọrọ afọ 6 n'ihi ime mpụ iyi ọha egwu n'ọnwa Septemba afọ 2025. Ụlọikpe a kwuru na Ekpa na-akwado nwere onwe Biafra na mpaghara ọwụwa anyanwụ Naịjirịa site n'ụzọ megidere iwu, nke gụnyere iji soshal midia na ụzọ ndị ọzọ kpalie mmụọ ndị mmadụ ka ha na-eyi ndụ egwu nakwa isonye n'ihe ndị otu na-eyi ndụ egwu na-eme. mana Simon Ekpa gwara ụlọikpe mkpegharị na enweghị ihe ọjọọ ọbụla o mere. Simon Ekpa kwetara na ọ bụ ya hiwere otu Biafra Independence Movement ma bụrụ Prime Minister gọọmenti ha gbara ọsọ ndụ nke a kpọrọ Biafra Government in Exile n'olu bekee. Kama na usoro ya na ndị otu ya si achụ ọsọ nwere onwe Biafra etozughị iji si na ha na-eme mpụ iyi ọha ndụ egwu. N'aka nke ọzọ, ndị ọkaiwu na-ama Ekpa ikpe chọrọ ka ụlọikpe mkpegharị nyekwuo Ekpa ntaramahụhụ dị ukwuu karịa mkpọrọ afọ 6 ahụ nke ụlọikpe nyeburu ya n'afọ 2025. Mkpegharị ikpe a malitere n'ụbọchị Mọnde abalị 17 nke ọnwa Ọgọst 2026 ebe ọ ga-ewe naanị izu ụka 3 tupu ọkaikpe achabie ikpe ya. Ka ọ dị ugbu a, ụlọikpe anụla mkpesa Simon Ekpa nakwa nke ndị na-agba akaebe megide ya. A na-atụ anya na ọkaikpe ụlọikpe mkpegharị ahụ ga-apịachi ikpe ahụ n'ọnwa Septemba 2026.
Unu ahụghị ya? Have you seen how BBC Igbo disgrace them? In case if you do not understand, Kaibano full time into this expository. Ha bịara character assassination to insult Mazi Simon Ekpa, but it doesn't work for them. In 2024, shortly after the arrest of Mazi Simon Ekpa, too many news in Nigeria, including the one Nigerianist, Biafra today, Nigeria tomorrow. This time around, the best full time in Nigeria. That is the Kuje version 3. They told you people, and they lied to you people, that Mazi Simon Ekpa denied in Finland of participating in Biafra activities. He denied of leading Biafra Republic government in exile. They told you that he told the court, that he said to the court that he is a content creator. But are you hearing from BBC Igbo that he told the court, yes, I am the leader of the Biafra Republic government in exile? That is number 1 lie, and number 1 deceit. Now, when Mazi Simon Ekpa was sentenced, they came out and told you, oh, it was because of the house tax on. It was because he said he's a member of IPOB, that he's not the founder of a Biafra government in exile. That is the reason why the court invited us to say if he is the member of IPOB. Are you hearing them now? BBC told you. That thing that these very people said, it is a lie, because Mazi Simon Ekpa said, I am the founder of Biafra Republic government in exile. So BBC, I love this one, kudos, for exposing the enemies. I know that you people did it on our way, because BBC is evil. I know that they did it on our way. They couldn't tally and follow up with the propaganda that these very people are running, because they are not sure. They know that Mazi Simon Ekpa is coming out. So it is no longer going to be lies as usual. They have to come out clean to tell the people what is happening in the courts, even though they are not clean. Now, I have counted the 2, right? Now, the same people, Ikensi Uruagu them and Udele, they came up to tell you people, oh, Mazi Simon Ekpa is not the one who appealed the court. That it was the court who later appealed that the people who sentenced Mazi Simon Ekpa did not have the jurisdiction. That is supposed to be 21 years instead of 6 years. Now, BBC is telling you that leave Udele, his mother died out of HIV. Leave Ikensi Uruagu's mother died out of Ogiri. They are telling you, leave all these very people. Focus on the main issue. And what is the main issue? They are now telling you and letting you to know that Mazi Simon Ekpa is the one who appealed the case, not the prosecutor. But when he appealed the case, just in case of what happened in Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's case in Nigeria, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu appealed case. The prosecutor did not appeal case, so he did not counter, he did not say anything after the sentence of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu appealed, The prosecutor went to say, oh, for him to appeal that, the judgment was not right, it's supposed to be death sentence. In a developed country, that is a fallacy. But in Nigeria, everything goes. In a developed country, they will warn they are going to ask the lawyer who gave you license, who authorized you to become a lawyer, because it is nonsense. Now, that is the same thing that they did in Finland. All this why that they sentenced Mazi Simon Ekpa, the prosecutor did not stand up to say, oh, the sentence is not enough. They did not say anything. They were cool, waiting. But when Mazi Simon Ekpa appealed, not cross-appealed. When Mazi Simon Ekpa appealed, this very Oluku then cross-appealed. Now let me tell you how possible it is. Nigeria is the one trying Mazi Simon Ekpa. So when Mazi Simon Ekpa appealed, they told the Finnish prosecutor, oh, you can cross-appeal for us, thinking that this is Nigeria, that they are in Nigeria where everything works. But though, Finland, though PM said that we shouldn't attack Finland, we will wait. We will wait until then. We will wait. We cannot attack Finland. Finland is a good country. He said that we should speak good of Finland, of which Nwashibrobi, is doing as he instructed. Finland is the best country. Finland, because they are the best country. Yes, until September, we will obey our PM, no doubt. Till September, I change my mind, because me, I follow order. More time for Cherekambia. And Biafra Unite say, for now, nobody should attack Finland. No problem. We are not attacking Finland, though. Finland is the best country. My brother Koima. One of the best countries in the world. And they are going to give us best justice. Because they believe in, when our PM was here, he said Finland is the citadel of equity, justice, and freedom. Of which we hope September they are going to demonstrate it for us. But if they do otherwise, not a but, there is no but. They are going to demonstrate it in September. Equity and justice, please. Now, what am I telling you people? BBC Igbo is telling you that all these things that they have told you, like you saw Moke Buamu. Even though the car alengo poroko, say take camera on a kuinyo. Say take camera twice for 3 minutes. Twice for 3 minutes. And this one is happening international. You know, it is not happening in Nigeria where they can lie and cover it and use lies to change to tell you that lies becomes truth. They cannot. It is happening international. Now, just imagine that if this is a case in Nigeria and they are lying, where you have no permission to confirm the truth. Just imagine. Where they have the capacity to call the whosoever that they can call and tell them, oh, look at what we are already telling the public. Oh, they shouldn't change the narrative. Let them dance to the tune that we are already deceiving the public. Just imagine. Just imagine. If this case is not happening in Finland. Just imagine. Now, BBC is telling all of you that you should forget about these lies. Udele is lying. That everything that he said is lies and nothing but lies. BBC is telling you. Udele said it is not Mazi Simon Ekpa who cross-appealed though. That he lied. It was Mazi Simon Ekpa who who appealed, and it was the Nigerian government prosecutor who cross-appealed the same thing. And they told you, BBC said, that the reason why they sentenced Mazi Simon Ekpa was maka iyi ndụ mmadụ egwu, that is terrorism. And the BBC said that Mazi Simon Ekpa, while appealing, said, I have not committed such thing under the international law, that they should look at the prosecution very well and determine if he have committed any of such offense, which makes Mazi Simon Ekpa truthful. But the other ones, Ndi Kuje, DOS, have told you that, oh, it was Mazi Simon Ekpa. Yeah, Mazi Simon Ekpa was sentenced because Ozuru Oshiego, tax fraud, and the Ulogo Kalora. And that is the reason why they called them to come and testify. Imagine him mad na-akọ. O nwere one efulefu on my platform a na-akpọ Regina Dike. Regina Dike a na-enye data 5 naira to come and comment rubbish. At the first day I played that voice, the voice of Ndi Kuje DOS, he said, look at how polished the guy is, telling truth, that his truth is obvious, and I, an illiterate, is just lying. Regina Dike Tonda Kobuogi, are you listening? Ihe abụkwa BBC, you know. Ihe abụkwa telling you that all these very people, Udele, and the entire DOS are a bunch of liars. Ihe abụkwa ndị BBC. Agwara m unu na mma na-akọ ọtụrụ unu ya. Mma na-egbu ya nke. Ya bụ ndị BBC. Now people are dying in the land of Biafra. Nigerian terrorists are everywhere kidnapping and buying our people. But these very idiots refuse to talk about it, or Simon Ekpa in prison with their problem. They are still having sleepless nights because of Mazi Simon Ekpa. You will think that they care about you, but they do not care about you. What they are creating is their own content, so that tomorrow has unu tokwa ego ọzọ. Tụọ na ego Mazi Simon Ekpa akpọpụta na tụọ na ego ka anyị wee stop ọnụ Mazi Simon Ekpa unu na-aga atụ ego. And I say, hey, ekperime onye oshi. You don't know that they are feeding from you. Unu na-atụ ego. They will now organize their criminals and tell them, oh, go this area. This area, when the Biafra people's presence there, go there, shoot gun, then video it for us. We will now use it on our platform and say, oh, so you don't know that it is their business. You don't know that it is their business. If you doubt me, Chena Sanworu, when they caught Ejima, Ejima said it was Chena Sanworu who was sending them. Did Ejima mention Simon Ekpa? No. When they got to the other group again, they said it was Chena Sanworu who was sending them. Did they mention Simon Ekpa? No. And like that, different criminals. Once they got to this Fulani that Udele is using to work because he is using Fulani to destabilize our land. Who do they mention? Politicians are the ones giving them gun. But they want your eyes to be on men on the ground. They want your eyes to be on BLA because they never wanted you to focus. They want you to keep on Nakwajambele all the time because they never wanted you to focus. But here on this very platform, the good, there is nothing. We can get nothing in deceiving you. We will tell you that truth. Just know the truth. Are you getting me? No eat and no peace. Because it is in truth that we stand. Lying to you wouldn't change anything. But telling you truth will change a lot of things. You will be serious in your own freedom. Go to everywhere in our land. They are buying a lot of people. A lot of our own people are being buyed. Once you talk about it, they will bring distraction, character assassination, telling you lies upon lies in order to make us to derail. But we are not going to derail. Not even now. One after the other. Almighty God na imagine nwoke mmadụ onye nke ọzọ setịrị kamera tụọ asị for 2 minutes plus, onye nke ọzọ setịrị kamera tụọ asị for 3 minutes plus. Everything ọ gwara gị in that program 2 minutes plus 3 minutes plus equals to going to 6 minutes. Onye mmadụ ịbụ ji wee ghaa asị. Those things was debunked in a minute 22 seconds of BBC Igbo interview, which means it is blatant lies. And then eziokwu na akwụ ọtọ ka siga. Eziokwu enidighi ka abịa na-akọ ndị be anyị na-asị ọtụtụ okwu adịghị n'ụka mgbede. Ọtụtụ okwu adịghị n'ụka mgbede. I am Onyebuchi Nwashibrobi, please, preaching nothing but the undiluted truth. I am Nwashibrobi. I preach nothing but the undiluted truth. Eziokwu nke Chineke a na-akọ mmiri. Eziokwu nke Olisa bi n'igwe. That's the only thing I preach. And you must know this and know peace. I think we have gotten to the end of this very program. September is the day that Master Simon Ekpa's court case, they will judge it. And according to BBC, they told you that Master Simon Ekpa stood up in the court and said, no, I am the founder of Biafra Republic government in exile. Those our people na fool themselves, saying, oh, Master Simon Ekpa appointed them. And in case na have a deputy in Master Simon Ekpa. Listen to what is happening in court. Udele type of brain. We must be united to fight our fight. I do not hate your people, but I hate methodology and lies that your people sell to our own people. Ilanya on the ties of our Simon Ekpa. He said in that ties is Biafra Republic government in exile. You must be in exile in order to get freedom. Somebody say write to me, of which I appreciate very well. He told me, my brother, you are doing fantastically well. But the Biafra was declared in Finland. And we are now in United States. You cannot be in United States of Biafra while you are still in exile. You declare Biafra for recognition. You have not gotten recognition. Otherwise, there is no difference between you and Uwazirike. Uwazirike declared Biafra. He said 1999. He declared the Republic of Biafra. 2000, he started the celebration. From 2000, he started celebrating the independent state of Biafra. 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004. How many years ago? I know 27 years of Uwazirike's United States of Biafra. Now, he was a country. Don't be like Uwazirike. Act accordingly. Those of you now, oh, we have declared now you are USB. There is no doubt we are United States of Biafra, but not the one that you people think. I declare, according to you, in Finland, 2004. 2004 till now, or what until we make a effort. So, in land of Biafra, the Nigeria may occupy, but you are still in exile. Let us give ourselves brain. If you support Master Simon Ekpa, look at his ties. He don't customize them there. He said, Biafra Republic government in exile. I had someone calling him the red ties. The red ties. And in case if you don't know whom they are referring to, they are referring to Master Simon Ekpa. She's referring to Master Simon Ekpa, the red ties. Because Master Simon Ekpa was putting on red all the time. constructing the Biafra Republic government in exile. They said, oh, we are no longer in exile. Give yourselves bread. We must remain united. Bullshit all these very people na akọrọ gị cock and bull story. Ebe ọ bụ na echi wee win ye. Ebe ọ bụ na ha ga-atachi onwe ha, grab picture to run propaganda. Very soon, all ye end. September, all ye end. God bless the Biafra Prime Minister, Mazi Simon Ekpa, Njoku. God bless Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And God bless every genuine Biafran fighting assiduously for the restoration of Biafra. And at the end, we will win. God bless all of you. Bye for now.